selfish. Do you think your son enjoys you calling somebody else a boss? Don't you think your son would rather wake up with you and you could pick him up from school instead of having to do a 9 to 5? Don't you think? Yeah, all right, but don't you have to wake up at 4 in the morning? Don't you think your son would love if his name was up there, Dash, or whatever your last name is, instead of somebody else's? My pride is in my children. Like, look what I'm doing right now. Look at my son. I taught my son never to have a boss. He's 23. He owns a restaurant. He has cookies. He has equity.
What's going on, guys? Thank y'all for getting to another one of my videos. In this video, I just want to share with you all some income proof that copy and pasting ads work, guys. If you looking for a cool way to make some extra money online, maybe a couple of $1,000s every week to up to 6 figures, you guys tap in. I've been doing this for a while. I'm not the only one making this type of commissions. I have other people coming in making thousands of dollars every week, like my man James. He just made another $300 commission just by following the simple copy and paste and blueprint. That's all we doing, just following the blueprint. Miss Stone came in. She already been in, but she's killing the game. Made like $600 in one day. You guys, it's unlimited profits in this. And with the system, it's just a one-time fee. One-time fee. That's it. No maintenance costs, no nothing. You don't need nothing else once you get started with our system. And here our the creator of the system, Adriana, she's been killing the game as well. Shout out to her. She's been helping a lot of individuals, hundreds of individuals, make a nice stream of income online and up to 6 figures. I can vouch for that. I'm making money, you know what I'm saying? And that's the only thing you have to do is just tap in, get you a package. It don't matter what package you get, just get started. We always recommend get started at the highest level, because in a due time to make $300 commission daily, you'll have to get started at the $300 level. But with the $300 level, you get so much information. So much information. Plus, you're going to get the live training that we have weekly. You guys, no monthly fees. Just get in where you want to fit in. Like, you guys, I got people coming in at the middle level, highest level. You guys, all type of levels. And then once you get in, the trainer is just step by step. You get everything step by step, all of it. And this right here, this the golden ticket right here. 200 pre-written ads, plus how to promote unlimited ads on high traffic websites for free. You guys, these tools alone gonna make you $100,000 a year. But you just gotta put in the work. And then once you get started today, of course, you're gonna get a hotel voucher. So you're gonna be able to take a trip anywhere around the world. You guys, once you get started, that's just the extra bonus, because once you start making money, you're gonna want to take a trip, and that's the trip you want to go take. You know what I'm saying? Get it on us. So you guys, man, come over here, click the link below, get started. It's gonna bring you to a website just like this. Watch the video, check it out, check out all the information, and then while you're on here, come down here and look at how much you really need to be making. I don't know what's your income level or what's your desire, you guys, but think about it. Think about if you can make $300 a day. If you can make $300 a day, that's $8,400 a month. You guys, by the end of the year, that's like over 6 figures, or just about 6 figures. You guys, one sell a day. One sell a day. This ain't no super high ticket item. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people try to say, you know, you want to do super high ticket, you know, you can only sell about one of those a month, but you can easily sell a $300 profit, a $300 product every day. I can do it. If I can't make $300, I can at least make 50, 150, you know, I can come up, I can make it on other products, you know. But you guys, it's just the method, copy and pasting. That's all we doing. Copy and pasting these pre-written ads that we have. And of course, we do it on automation, you guys, so we can do more. Basically, we can do a lot more other things than just being online, playing with social media, posting ads. You guys, it only makes sense, man. If you're looking for a way to make a couple $100 every week on autopilot, you guys, tap in, click the link below. Like I said, All the information is there. You got the training. You in good hands. And if you got any questions, hit me up. My phone number down there at the bottom as well. And yeah, just tap in. And if you like do affiliate marketing, and if you in the affiliate marketing industry and you tired of doing ClickBank links, JV Zoom, Warrior Plus, Max Bounty, you guys, if you having trouble with those sites or with those products because you don't have the skill, this is the skill you need to have. It's copy and paste. Once you get that method down, you can go get creative and do your own thing and know how to generate leads, so you won't have to just go bug people in their inbox all day. That's what we do not do. We post ads, post videos, and let that do the work for us because our system is set up. So guys, tap in, get in, so we can get you started. And if you got questions, just call me, email me, leave comments, or whatever. You know how it go. So if you find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, share with your team. See y'all in the next video. All right. Peace.